Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to farm in Hytale. Now the first thing I want you to do is actually go ahead and craft a workbench. So press tab on your keyboard. This will open up Pocket Crafting. Click on workbench. Make sure you have 4 pieces of any tree trunk, 3 pieces of any stone. Go ahead and craft this. And then I want you to press F on this workbench. Click here on this section to open up crafting menu, and then click here on farmer's workbench. You just need 6 pieces of any tree trunk, 20 pieces of plant fiber. Craft this up. Then once you have this, I want you to press F to open up the farmer's workbench, and then here I want you to go ahead and craft a few items. So first, craft a crude hoe. You just need 2 pieces of any tree trunk, 1 piece of any stone. Craft this up, and then you also need an empty watering can. Just need 3 pieces of iron ingot. I want you to craft this, and what you'll also need is seeds. So if I come and click here, we see that we need 5 pieces of essence of life, 1 sunflower. These ones right here just need 2 pieces of essence of life, so you can go ahead and craft these. So just click here to craft, and then what you need to do is just go ahead and pick your hoe. Then I want you to till this land. So I'll come here and till this. And then after that, what I want you to do is take your seeds right here, as you can see, and then I'll come here and just go ahead and right click on the ground to go ahead and plant these seeds. So you just need to make sure that these are tilled properly so you can go ahead and plant the seeds. As you can see right here, I am planting them. And then I want you to go and take the watering can, and I want you to fill that up with water. You just go to any water source and you just right click there. Mine is already filled up, so I'll come back here to my tilled land that I have planted seeds in, and I'll come here and just water them. As you can see right here, I'm watering these. As you can see, they have been watered. And then you just have to wait for a little bit until it fully grows. That is how to farm in Hytale. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. It really helps me out as well.